arc welding. Electric arc welding is based on the principle that an arc is generated between two conductors of electricity, cathode and anode, when they are touched to establish the flow of current and then separated by a small distance. To understand the concept of electric arc welding, let us consider two metal plates and try to join them along the edges. For this, we need an arc welding setup that consists of an electrode holder for holding the electrode, a clamp, and a DC power supply. Now let us place the plates in such a way that their sides touch each other. Then we fix a clamp to one of the metal plates. Now let us connect the clamp to the negative terminal of the DC supply and electrode holder to the positive terminal. Then we touch the contact interface of the plates with the electrode and press the trigger of the electrode holder. We see that electric current from the power supply flows through the electrode and the metal plates. Here, electrode acts as the cathode and metal plates act as the anode. Now let us pull the electrode away from the contact interface so that there is a little gap between the electrode and the interface. We see that air in the gap gets ionized and the current continues to flow with the help of electrons. This ionized air column offers high resistance to the electrons flowing at a very high velocity, and hence a large amount of heat is generated there. This heat melts the metal edges at the interface to form a weld pool. Now let us release the trigger and remove the electrode. We see that the weld solidifies on cooling to form a strong joint between the plates. This process of joining two metal plates with the help of an electric arc is called electric arc welding. Thus we can say that electric arc welding is a fusion welding process where metal pieces to be joined are heated locally to their melting point by an electric arc and then allowed to solidify to form a welded joint. Some of the common advantages of electric arc welding are as follows. Inexpensive power source. Portable equipment is available. Process is fast and reliable. Some of the common disadvantages of electric arc welding are as follows. Electrode should be replaced frequently. Rate of deposition is lower than the continuous electrode process. Note, if the air gap between the electrodes becomes too large, the arc may get extinguished. Related terms are